Hey guys, it's Felicia from A Girl and Her Yarn. So I want to do another unboxing video today. So if you remember from my last video, there was a particular color of blue yarn that I was looking for that unfortunately the Miss Babs yarn did not fulfill. So I bought 2 more skeins of yarn online, this time from Dragonfly Fibers, and I just got it in the mail today. Let's open this together and see how it looks. This time, I came prepared. It's pretty cute how it comes. It comes in some tissue paper with dragonflies on it. You can see. And both skeins are in here, so we'll see. I know this is out of frame. I'm sorry, I'm trying to get better light. Yeah, this is like almost exactly what I was looking for. So hopefully you guys can see that. Pull it back as well. There have another skein in here too, both of the same type. So let's look at this yarn. So like I said, it's from Dragonfly Fibers. They're an indie dyer in the DC area. This type of yarn is fingering, just like the other ones were last time. It's Pixie and is 100% superwash merino. It's really soft too. The colorway is called Caitlin, and that's Caitlin with a C and a Y. I guess Caitlin usually has Y's in it. But yeah, it's awesome. It's a really deep color of blue with a little bit of heathering in it, which is exactly what I was looking for. It is single ply, which is perfectly fine. Like, I actually think I tend to prefer more single ply yarns than plied ones, personally. Don't think that that'd be good for socks, but I don't really make socks, so suits my purposes. I love it. So let's see, let's put them all together here. Yeah, I think it's good. This weekend, I'm going to be doing a little bit of a yarn crawl. I'm going to go to a local yarn shop in Virginia and then go to the Fibernate Summer Fiber Farmers Market. It's a lot of words. So look for that in an upcoming video. So like and subscribe. A biento.